Shipping containers can be stacked facing up on the side or even turned upside down on end to create shipping container buildings. In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container home with one of the shipping containers turned upside down to form a staircase tower, located in Grafton, Wisconsin, United States. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. This is that sustainable dwelling that will give you a lot to feel good about shipping container homes. Belonging to a Grafton couple, this house is almost entirely built out of shipping containers. Because the couple wanted a unique building, they decided to build their dream home out of shipping containers. This amazing shipping container home is a product of architect Terence Martin and fabricated by Factotum Inc. This 1,800 square foot house is made from 6 shipping containers, and it takes advantage of the river views by having an open floor plan, large picture windows, and a second floor cantilevered bedroom that extends out into space. The first floor is made of 3 containers, all placed in parallel with each other. The second floor is built out of 2 shipping containers placed perpendicularly to the containers below. The 6th container of the house is turned vertically on end to accommodate the staircase tower. Since the house is elevated above the ground, a small wooden staircase leads to the main entrance door, which opens effortlessly into a spacious entrance lobby. Beautiful wood flooring matches perfectly into the dry walls as light pours into the lobby, creating a space that feels larger than it is. The entrance lobby leads into a large, high-ceiling, open-plan living room. Upon entering, the visitors have a clear view down the length of the corridor to the windows at the far end. The exceptional craftsmanship blends seamlessly with the designer interior finishes throughout the home, where everything has been designed with precision and style. A bright and modern kitchen has a unique, futuristic setup featuring top-of-the-line appliances, expensively outfitted custom-designed cabinet storage, quartz countertops, and double kitchen islands. The space next to the kitchen island can accommodate a sizable dining table to serve as an intimate dining area. The well-lit lounge area is all you could ask for. It is generous enough to accommodate all your furniture for lounging and entertainment. The living area opens onto a private deck to expand the indoor living space for outdoor entertainment. The house features exposed air conditioning ductwork to celebrate the industrial vibe of the design. Glass doors and windows bathe the home with airy brightness during the daytime, and they illuminate the house with romantic hues at dusk. The living area can also be accessed via the staircase from the staircase tower. The wooden staircase with a wire mesh railing leads you to a hallway on the first floor, which can serve as a restful sitting space to enjoy the panoramic views of the river and the lush surroundings. The master bedroom provides ample accommodation for a king-size bed, illuminated by natural light from the glass windows that offers breathtaking views worth waking up to every morning. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet and a stylish bathroom fitted with a slit window to light up the space, and a glass shower cubicle, a toilet, a large vanity, plus a huge mirror which makes the bathroom even more appealing. The second bedroom is not just cozy and spacious, but also well lit by sizable glass windows with amazing views of the property. The wooden ceiling beams are left exposed to create a warm and rustic ambience inside the house. The exterior of the house is very ambitious. The image of the steeply placed staircase tower gives the house a different stance. With its large windows, a balcony, magnificent harmonious colors, everything in the house fuses together as a whole. Come again. All these volumes of the house fuses together as a whole. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted jungle green and black to celebrate the industrial style of the container house. The deck from the living room was added so that the family could get the most out of the sunny afternoons and the beautiful rolling views of the landscape. Entering from the driveway, the first building is a garage made from traditional materials, and it is designed to match the bold home standing out from behind. The infill sections of the house are also made from traditional building materials. The large openings and frames create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape, whilst the trees around the building help to soften the industrial vibe of the design. We love everything about this magnificent shipping container home, both inside and out. Which part of this amazing container building appeals to the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.